ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो।
It is called India.
ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे।
Hello everyone. Respect the father, headmasters, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to give a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Our third national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi ji, father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi ji was a great freedom fighter. He fought for the freedom of our nation. To thank no violence, to fight at the British. We thought to be honest and truthful. So end my speech here. Once again, happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you. Good morning to all, my dear teachers, my dear friends. My name is Ananya Gowda. I am studying in Happy LKG. I wish you Happy Jayanti, Gandhi Jayanti, and Shastri Jayanti. Both are freedom fighters.
Gandhiji.
Gandhi Jayanti.
Gandhiji was a
Gandhi was a freedom fighter. Great
freedom fighter.
Freedom fighter. And
Gandhi.
father of
Our
nation.
nation. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers. Good morning to all. I wish happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. Gandhi was born on October 2nd. He is called father of a nation. He fought God independence to our nation. Thank you. Jai Hind. Good evening, respected teachers, principal, my dear friends. Gandhi ji. Good morning to all my respected and teachers and dear friends. My name is Akka and studying in UKG. I am going to speak about Gandhi Jayanti. October 2nd we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869. 1869 and full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi and fought with British
for freedom of India.
for freedom of India. Hence,
He is called as
he is called as
father.
of nation. Thank you for the opportunity. Indian student, respected father, sister, teachers, mama, our friends. Today is second October. Celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is the best of Gandhi. Gandhi was the great powerful leader of India. Thank you. Good morning to all my respected principal and teachers and my dear friends. Mahatma Gandhi, who was father of our nation, was on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Father name was Karamchand. Father name was Putalibai. He moved to South Africa in 1893 to represent Town Gain Merchant. He went to live South Africa in 21 years. His was 30 years. Gandhi received a family fasting early, non-violent, absent in a campaign for civil rights in 1845. Return to India is set out vaccinated farming and urban labor protest against excessive land tax. Gandhiji is also known as Bapu and for the nation. Nation is grandfather of peasant violence. He started many important movement like civil movement. His birthday is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi believed in people living and I thinking. Great leader of our country died on 13 January 1948. Gandhiji's life is an impression for all of us. To all am teacher Madhyavan. My name is Chiraga Gowda. I am studying UKG. Gandhiji was a great freedom fighter. He was born on 2nd October in Porabandar. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Bapu, also called Bapu, father of our nation. Name Karamchand Gandhi. My mother name Putlibai Gandhi.
Good evening, respected madam and my dear friends. My name is Edwin Gilbert and studying in UKG. We celebrated Gandhi Jayanti in October. Gandhi Jayanti was the father of the nation. Gandhi Jayanti was National Festival of India. Full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. People call him Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi ji, born on 2nd October 1869, Porbandar, Gujarat. He was created for peace and non-violence.